All right, so we're just cutting up our white buttermilk bread into smaller pieces. I think cutting them once and then cutting them twice should be the perfect size. Oh yeah. We're gonna grab our whole loaf and we're gonna bring in our greased 9x13 and we're gonna just slide our bread pieces right in there. And we can kind of just place them here and there. It doesn't need to be perfectly organized. Aren't as messy as me, you can organize it, but I think this is gonna be just fine for what we're making. All right, I'm gonna bring in my dried craisin berries and we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle them here and there. They'll kind of fall through the cracks and get into the little crevices of our dish. We can even kind of move around our bread. I think I'm gonna use this whole bag because I really love the sweetness and the tartness of these craisins. Yum! Perfect. Next, I'm coming in with 1 cup of walnut pieces and we'll sprinkle those in there as well. Add a little crunch to this easy holiday breakfast. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, we're gonna move this to the side and I'm gonna bring in my bowl and my whisk. And inside my bowl, I'm gonna add 7 eggs. Perfect. Next, I'm gonna add my secret ingredient, which is eggnog. Oh my goodness. So we are making eggnog French toast casserole. So we are gonna add about a cup of eggnog, maybe a cup and a half, depending on how much of that eggnog flavor you want in there. Next, I'm gonna add some pure vanilla extract. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons, 2 capfuls, because we want that vanilla flavor. I love vanilla. Beautiful. This is looking so good, so yummy. Now, of course, with eggnog, you gotta add some nutmeg. So we're gonna do a nice little sprinkle of nutmeg in there. But you can kind of season this however you like. You could do some peppermint eggnog. You can do whatever flavors you like. Next, we're gonna add some ground cinnamon, and then it's gonna be time to give it a mix. Woo! All those beautiful spices just remind me of Christmas. So we're gonna whisk this together until we get a nice little custard to go on our bread, cranberries, and walnuts. All right, we gotta do this super quick, super fast, so delicious, so easy. And you can even make this the night before Christmas and then put it in your fridge. And then in the morning, it'll be ready just to pop in the oven. That's my favorite part about this recipe. Okay, this is ready to go on top of our bread. Perfect. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and just pour this evenly. Let that bread just soak in that delicious eggnog custard. Now I actually am gonna pop this in the fridge for 1 hour so that that bread can get nice and soaked. All right, this was in the fridge for 1 hour. Now it's gonna go in the oven for about 40 minutes. All right, our eggnog French toast casserole is ready. First things first, I'm gonna grab some powdered sugar and we are going to make it snow on our Christmas breakfast. There we go. This is optional, obviously, but I think it is necessary. Okay, time to dig in. Oh, it's nice and juicy. Cuts right through, cuts like butter. We greased our dish, so we should have no issues with it coming out. Oh yeah, it's moist, it's delicious, it's sweet, it has a little savoriness. I'm gonna top mine off with maple syrup because what's French toast without maple syrup? Oh, and that is heaven. French toast eggnog, everyone. Enjoy. That one's really, really good. You gotta try it.